Top must have WordPress plugins for dental websites. A plugin is small size software always attached with content management systems. It adds extra features to support functioning. It is installed in any existing website or application that you use. Generally, websites use 20 to 30 plugins on average. WordPress plugins are considered safer as it has less security threats. Dental websites are highly functional marketing tool. In that case, they need to extend and add new features and functions into the existing content system. First, all-in-one SEO. All-in-one SEO is the WordPress toolkit. Since 2007, it is used by 3 million and above websites. It is also called AIO SEO. It ensures easy setup. Second, Monster Insights Lite. Monster Insights Lite is a free Google Analytics plugin. It tracks services on your website. It allows you to add, customize, and manage Google Analytics on your dental site. Third, WP Forms Lite. WP Forms Lite is the best WordPress form builder plugin. It uses drag and drop interface. It lets you build your website using various types of WordPress forms. Fourth, WP Mail SMTP. WP Mail SMTP stands for WordPress Mail Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It is a free plugin. It is used by 2 million websites. Fifth, Opt-in Monster. Opt-in Monster is a lead plugin. It helps you to create a integrate email sign-up forms on websites. It works with other service providers like Uber, MailChimp, Campaign Monitor, Constant Contact, and many. 6. MemberPress. MemberPress allows website hosts to track membership subscriptions. It is generally used to sell digital products. But for dental websites, you can use this plugin to have more features for content management, forums, and social communities. 7. RafflePress. RafflePress is a user-friendly WordPress contest plugin. It is the best marketing tool that is specially made for giveaway purposes. 8. HubSpot. HubSpot is a marketing plugin. It gives forms, pop-ups, and live chat WordPress plugins. They allow you to stay connected with your WordPress website through HubSpot account. 9th, Live Chat. Live Chat plugin projects communication with your visitors. It improves user experience to a great extent. Dental websites must have this plugin integration. 10th, Visualizer. Visualizer helps in dental websites to show dentist lists. It is a useful plugin allows you to create, manage, embed interactive charts and tables into web pages and posts. 11th, WooCommerce. This plugin makes commercial dental websites. You can display your dental products here, so you can use it as an online store to sell your products. 12th, Smush. Smush is the most effective WordPress plugin. It is 100% free plugin. It allows you to optimize images, resizing, compress, and improve Google page speed. In general, dental websites have more number of images in it. 13th, Better Click to Tweet. Better Click to Tweet WordPress plugin helps to improve your user experience. Modern users need such plugin in websites. Your dental blogs and posts have tweetable contents inside. 14th, Instagram feed. This helps you to stay connected with your local patients. Instagram feed WordPress plugin allows you to share your Instagram ID or any account relating your dental clinic. 15th, Broken Link Checker. Dental websites must have internal links like reference links, internal and external links. This improves your website to get top position in result page. If you want to more details, do watch www.hubspot.com.